So hello again and welcome to our English tropical garden. This time I'm in the conservatory and I wanted to show you these aloe veras that are looking really healthy, and I think it's because they're on this shelf and they're shaded, because I just want to show you something. I'm going to come back to you. So here's another aloe vera that was on the shelf but had more light, and you'll see that it's sort of a greyish colour. So I'm doing a little bit of an experiment and I'm going to put it in a shady spot. Come with me, excuse the slight mess, but I'm going to put it in this shady spot here on this bookshelf. I've got another one hiding down here, and I'm going to keep an eye on them in the next week or so, and I'm hoping that they'll start to turn the more vibrant green that I would expect. So yes, I'll come back to you in a week or so and we'll see. Okay, well, it's 2 weeks since I placed these aloe veras in a different spot, a little bit more shaded from the bright light in the conservatory. And look at this, it's coming through nice and green. The greyness we've still got a bit here has gone from these other leaves, so that's proved a point, I guess. Here's the second one that I did, and look at this. If you remember from the last video before, it was looking this sort of grey colour, and now it's coming through nicely. So I'm going to leave them there for now, but think about somewhere else to put them. But clearly, for me, these ones don't like it when it's too bright. So yeah, I think I've proved the point. If you've liked the video, please share and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.